How has Empowered Worship Center impacted your life?
Empowered Worship Center has impacted my life in so many different areas. It has definitely grown me more spiritually and more closer to God. After so much church hurt, it felt so good and so welcoming to actually enter into God's house and feel not only His presence but the love of God's people. It definitely made me want to do more in His house. It made me want to do more as a person and become a better Christian. So EWC has been a wonderful, wonderful addition into my life, into my family's life. They pray for us. They have encouraged us. They have been there for us in so many ways that I have not always had as a church family. So I really love and appreciate and thank God for bringing EWC into my life.